Hey guys, ready to unlock your creative potential? Let me show you how Gemini 2.0 brainstorming tools can take your ideas to the next level. Start by opening the Gemini 2.0. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and switch from Gemini 1.5 to Gemini 2.0 and start by opening brainstorm section in Gemini 2.0. This is your creative space for capturing and organizing an idea. Use prompts and templates to kickstart your thinking, whether you're planning a project or solving a problem. Gemini guides you with inspiration. So let's have an example. Brainstorm an idea. Let me switch. Brainstorm an idea about content creation. Right? You're gonna hit enter. Okay, there is the ideas right now, and just collaborate in real time. You can invite also teammates to contribute or vote on ideas, or you can basically copy that answer and just share it across social media, or if you are using team member apps like Slack or something like that, you can share it in real time, right? You could just copy the right here the idea, right? And I could go copy it and share it across social media, right? And basically organize your thoughts into mind maps or lists, right? Gemini tools help you structure ideas for easy implementation, right? Just type right here, how can I implement this idea? For example, how to get views, for example, on YouTube, right? This is about content creation. So basically I'm now entering right here this question, and as you can see, keyword research and topic selections. Don't just say get views, be specific. Target long tail keywords like how to get more views on YouTube Shorts 2024, how to get YouTube videos suggested, how to get views on YouTube without subscribers, how to get views on YouTube with no money. And use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with decent search volumes and low competition, right? And basically maximize your creativity with Gemini 2.0. Start brainstorming smarter and watch your best idea come to life. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow us on social media. We will definitely see you in the next one.